Here's a quick release camera adapter from the brand HSU. These are great for people who are constantly switching their cameras between multiple setups, as you don't have to constantly unscrew and rescrew the mount. It comes with some tools in the adapter itself, which was kinda stuck when it arrived. I was afraid it was broken, but I wanted to push forward and see what was wrong. I ended up using a pair of pliers to move the lever over and release it, and that worked perfect, and it also worked perfect ever since. The weather's been freezing here lately, so maybe the metal just expanded and contracted too much. Anyway, when set to the unlock position, which once again was really easy after unjamming it, you could put the quick release on in any orientation, then just press the latch to release it. The piece that attaches to a camera also has an optional screw for cameras that have a positioning hole next to the tripod mount that keeps it centered. The manual calls that a dowel? Is that right? It's impossibly small, so unless you have tiny fingers, you'll need pliers to position it, then use the included screwdriver to tighten it. Connecting to a camera mount is pretty easy, and if your tripod has a latch that gets stuck like this one, the little screwdriver it came with is perfect for unlatching. Then just position your tripod head, twist until it's tight, and mount it. Then quick release the top to mount that to a camera. In order to screw it in, you'll need the Allen key that it comes with. I have mixed feelings about needing another tool in order to use this, but as you just saw, I needed a tool to flip my tripod's latch anyway, and it is more of a precision tightening, so maybe it's not a big deal. When it's tight, just snap it onto the mount for a very secure fit. And when you need to release it, just pop it right off. The reason I bought this specific one was for a slider I just purchased that's awesome, but only came with a basic camera screw mount. Watching me fumble with this should be a perfect example of why that slider needs a quick release mount. I needed to adjust the screw on the slider to the perfect height so the mount could be tight enough not to shift while also being perfectly centered, and now I only have to do it once as opposed to doing this every time I mount another camera. And funny enough, the Allen key that came with this also fits my slider screw. So I basically just kept messing with it until everything was perfect, and this will stay mounted here permanently. And it's pretty tight, so I'd be surprised if it backed itself out at all. So this quick release mount is exactly what I was looking for. I'll probably buy a handful more just so I could leave them on my cameras and tripods and just quickly release them whenever swapping in between.